guys, NaJae here speaking. So this video is going to be about October's PV promotion for Young Living. So if you were to do 100 PV, you would get the 5 milliliter oregano vitality bottle. If you do the 190 PV, you would be able to get the 5 milliliter aroma ease and the 5 milliliter cinnamon bark and the 5 milliliter oregano vitality bottle. If you were to do 250 PV, 15, you would get the 15 ml thyme. You would get the 5 milliliter aroma ease. You would also get the 5 milliliter cinnamon bark and the 5 milliliter oregano vitality. It's a lot. Then if you were to do the 300 PV, you can get a 120 CT of the multigreen. So Young Living also does the vitamins as well. You can also get the 5 milliliter of Paleo Cento, the 15 milliliter of thyme, a 5 milliliter bottle of aroma ease. Then you'll also get the 5 milliliter of cinnamon bark and 5 milliliter bottle of oregano vitality. And then if you reach 400 PV, you would get this is new, so I guess it's our Seed to Seal story collection. So if you read up on that and if you remember, you'll see what those are. Then you'll get the multi-greens. You'll also get the Paleo Cento. You'll get the thyme, the aroma ease, the cinnamon bark, and the oregano vitality. So these are for people who are already signed up as a Young Living member and do the essential awards every month. So it depends on how much you are willing to spend. And all those products that I just mentioned is what you'll get back as free products. So if you have any questions, just let me know. You can leave a comment down below or just inbox me. Thanks for watching. Bye.